If you keep running into the "you've already submitted a request" error on LinkedIn and nothing seems to fix it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, guaranteed method to reset the error and successfully submit a fresh support request. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get LinkedIn system responding again. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, go back to the LinkedIn homepage by clicking the LinkedIn logo at the top left. This basically refreshes your session and ensures everything is synced properly. Next, access your profile. Just click the me icon, your profile picture at the top, and choose View Profile. This step isn't about editing anything. It simply helps LinkedIn fully load your account data, which often prevents conflicts during the support request process. Now, we'll head to the exact place that solves the issue. Look toward the right side of your profile page and open the More menu. From there, select Help. This will take you directly to LinkedIn's Help Center. Once you're inside the Help Center, scroll until you find the option that says Submit a Request. This is the key step. The reason the error shows up is because LinkedIn thinks you're trying to resubmit the same incomplete or previously cached request. By coming through the Help Center, you're filing a fresh case that bypasses the old submission. Fill out the support form carefully. Make sure you describe the problem clearly, mention the exact error message, what you were trying to do, and any steps you already attempted. The more precise you are, the faster LinkedIn can resolve it. Once everything looks good, hit submit. After that, all you need to do is keep an eye on your email and your LinkedIn notifications. LinkedIn's support team usually responds directly through one of those. And that's it. A quick, effective way to get past the "you've already submitted a request" error and actually get your issue resolved. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.